Creating a stunning garment is a work of art that involves a meticulous process, and at the heart of this process lies pattern drafting. Whether you're an aspiring fashion designer, a clothing manufacturer, or simply someone who loves creating unique outfits, understanding the essentials of dress pattern drafting is crucial. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of pattern making, clothing production, and design. Let's explore how to get it right from start to finish. Introduction to pattern making. Pattern making is the foundation of every well-fitted garment. It involves creating templates that guide the cutting and assembly of fabric pieces to create a three-dimensional outfit that fits beautifully. Understanding pattern making, the foundation of fashion design. Pattern making serves as the blueprint for any successful fashion design project. It's the process through which designers transform their creative ideas into tangible garments that fit impeccably. Every stitch, fold, and seam is meticulously planned in the pattern, ensuring the final product looks and feels just right. The clothing manufacturing landscape. The world of clothing manufacturing is a complex web of creativity and engineering. Garments transition from sketches to wearable art through various production stages. Importance of fashion design in pattern drafting. Fashion design brings aesthetics and functionality together. A well-designed pattern ensures that the final garment not only looks good but also feels comfortable to wear. Imagine this. Just like directors bring movie scripts to life, pattern makers transform designs from paper into wearable marvels. They're the magic behind making sure your vision translates seamlessly into the real world of fabrics. Think of them as the bridge between your creative spark and the touchable textures of your clothing. Collaboration with garment manufacturers. Working closely with garment manufacturers is essential to bringing your designs to life efficiently. Communication and collaboration are key. Utilizing tech pack templates. Tech packs are detailed documents that outline every aspect of a garment's production. These templates streamline the manufacturing process and ensure consistency. The role of CAD software in pattern drafting. Computer-aided design, CAD, software revolutionized pattern drafting. It allows designers to create, modify, and visualize patterns digitally before actual production. Educational pathways, fashion schools and institutes. Enrolling in a fashion school provides you with formal education and hands-on training, fostering your creativity and honing your technical skills. Choosing the right place to learn. Selecting the right institution or platform to learn dress pattern making is crucial to your success. While there are various options available, both online and offline, it's essential to opt for a reputable source that provides comprehensive and in-depth instruction. Here are some avenues to consider. Fashion design schools. Attending a renowned fashion design school offers a structured and immersive learning experience. Institutions like the Fashion Institute of Technology, FIT, Parsons School of Design, and Central St. Martin's are renowned for their comprehensive fashion programs, which often include courses dedicated to pattern making. These institutions provide hands-on training, access to industry experts, and a chance to network with fellow aspiring designers. Online learning platforms. In today's digital age, online learning platforms have gained immense popularity for their convenience and flexibility. Websites like Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, and the University of Fashion, UOF, offer a range of pattern-making courses suitable for all skill levels. These platforms allow you to learn at your own pace, often with video tutorials, interactive assignments, and opportunities for instructor feedback. Local workshops and classes. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, attending local workshops and classes can provide valuable learning experiences. Many sewing studios and community centers offer classes in dress pattern making. These smaller settings can offer personalized attention, allowing you to grasp intricate techniques and receive direct guidance from experienced instructors. Curriculum highlights. Regardless of the learning avenue you choose, a comprehensive dress pattern making course should cover essential topics to ensure you're well equipped for success. Basic pattern drafting. Learn the fundamentals of pattern drafting, including taking accurate body measurements, creating basic blocks, and understanding ease and seam allowances. Advanced techniques. Delve into more intricate techniques such as manipulating darts, creating pleats, adding gathers, and designing various necklines and sleeves. Fitting and adjustments. Master the art of fitting garments perfectly to different body types, addressing common fit issues, and making necessary adjustments. Digital pattern making. Explore the world of computer-aided design, CAD, and learn how to create digital patterns using specialized software. Step-by-step guide to pattern creation. Pattern creation involves translating a design into a blueprint for sewing. This step-by-step process requires precision and attention to detail. Selecting a design. Before diving into pattern creation, choose a design concept for your garment. Whether it's a sleek evening gown or a casual t-shirt, understanding the design elements is essential to drafting an accurate pattern. Taking measurements. Our comprehensive measurement guide helps you gather precise body measurements. Remember, accuracy at this stage directly impacts the fit of the final garment. Creating the pattern. Using your measurements as a foundation, start drafting the pattern on pattern paper or using digital tools. Pay close attention to grain lines, seam allowances, and other critical details. Making a prototype. Once your pattern is ready, create a prototype using muslin fabric. This step allows you to test the fit and make necessary adjustments before using the final fabric. Advanced techniques for expert pattern makers. Adding complexity with darts and pleats. Darts and pleats add dimension and shape to your garments. Mastering the art of placing and sewing these elements elevates your patterns from basic to sophisticated. Incorporating design variations. Learn how to modify your patterns to create various design iterations. Experiment with necklines, sleeves, and hemlines to develop a diverse range of garment options.